Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to choose the Threads app language on your Android device. Threads is a messaging application designed to be used with Instagram, and it allows you to communicate with your close friends and family. Changing the language of your Threads app can be very helpful if you're more comfortable using a language other than English. It can also help you better understand the features and settings of the app. So let's dive straight into the tutorial. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone and log in. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. Then scroll down to find the Language option. Once you've found the Language option, tap on it to open the settings. You will see a list of all the available languages. Choose your preferred language by tapping on it. It's worth noting that not all languages are available in Threads, but there are a variety of options to choose from. If your preferred language is not available, you'll need to use one of the available options instead. Congratulations, you've successfully changed the language of your Threads app on your Android device. In conclusion, changing the Threads app language on your Android device is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following the steps we've outlined in this tutorial, you can easily change the language of your Threads app and make it more comfortable for you to use. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.